France, Sunday, December 8, 2024. Bad weather continues to hit the Basque Country, due to Storm Darragh. Wind gusts of up to 150 km per hour were recorded on the Biarritz coast on Sunday, December 8, 2024. The orange alert is maintained until Monday, by the Department of the Pyrénées Atlantiques. As a result, on the coast, strong winds are blowing, high waves and thick foam is forming on the sea. Then the motorways are complicated, and the railway traffic is also disrupted. The TGV has been cancelled and others delayed. The RER connection from Bayonne to Pau, and Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port has been cancelled. The firefighters have been called about 15 times on the Basque Coast due to this storm. Mainly to clear roads from fallen branches, then to secure power lines, or piles of material that are in danger of collapsing.